This project is an innovation from ordinary aquaponic concept, that is raising fish in a controlled environment and do the planting in soilless media. The ordinary aquaponic system uses air pump to supply oxygen and for water circulation. In case of no electricity, this condition will harm the fish. So, how to maintain the oxygen supply without electricity while providing the essential nutrient for the plants? Introducing our innovation project, Low Maintenance Aquaponic Zero Electric System, LAZY. What is interesting about LAZY? The waste products from the fish pond will serve as nutrient for a second biological system, and the plant in the planter will absorb nutrient and clean the water. The water will be reused again through free energy water circulation system. This is high-low water pressure concept. The benefit is we can produce our own healthy local food and will enhance the local economy. Let's go through the main system overview. Fish tank, used to store fish and provide nutrient water throughout the system. The PVC pipe, used as a planter to hold the plants. And the IY tower, to collect water and give the gravitational impact to supply oxygen to the fish tank. Back to LAZY basic concept. LAZY requires no electricity to run the system compared to the conventional system, and of course, it is low maintenance and suitable for household use. By introducing LAZY, our major focus is to improve the financial issues, to provide green environment, and to supply our own food. This is to minimize the food dependent on the government. Talk about the commercialization potential. LAZY is the best system to apply in aquaponic industry. It also suitable for home with concrete land and limited outdoor space. LAZY also can be used as a training aid for agriculture program. In addition to its value as a food production system, LAZY can be great asset as teaching tools for a wide range of subjects. LAZY also may serve as decorative elements in homes or public places. Moreover, the principle of combining fish and crop production can be implemented from a low-tech level to a high-tech state-of-art system. LAZY can be your best companion.